have 2 coins left. One for me and one for...
The CatRat!
Hey, CatRat. Do you want to make a wish?
Of course I do!
Here you go, CatRat.
Woohoo! Now I can finally get my wish to swing on the stars.
Oh? Stars?
What stars?
I'll show ya. Out there.
On my planet mobile?
It's all so shiny. Shiny is so miny.
Okay, CatRat. Wish away.
I wish I could swing on the stars. Woohoo! Hey, Floyd! Look at me! Woohoo! I'm swinging on the stars! Yep. Thanks to this wish of mine, I'm swinging on stars. They're oh so shiny. When I look in any direction, well, all I see is my starry reflection. La da 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 da, ba da da ba dee.
Aw, CatRat's having so much fun up there.
He's living his dream. Go, CatRat!
Now, now, everybody, look at me! I got the world by its tail!
Uh-oh! CatRat's wish is wearing off.
CatRat's swinging on a star! Ha-cha! Uh-oh. Need a little help up here!
Don't worry, CatRat. We're coming.
Help!
Oh, Sprinkles!
What's going on?
What are you doing up there, CatRat? His wish wore off and now he's stuck.
Oh my, that's not good.
Hang on, CatRat. We're here.
I can't hold on much longer!
We've got to figure out a way to save him.
Oh, I've got it! I know what I'm gonna wish for. I wish for a giant, fluffy pickle cream pie!
Hey, is that a pickle?
CatRat! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks to Pandy and his, delicious wish. Pickle cream pie.
Pandy, your wish saved CatRat.
Then my wish definitely came true. And we've got enough pickle cream pie for everyone! Who wants a spoon? I do! Oh, sure! I do! Yum!
You know, I don't think I could have wished for a better day in the dollhouse.